Hey everyone, today we're answering a common question. How do I assign time to a task in ClickUp? The short answer is you set a time estimate. This feature is vital for planning your workload and team bandwidth before you start working. 1. Enable the time estimates feature. This step requires admin access to your workspace settings. Access Settings, go to your profile avatar in the bottom left corner, select Click Apps, choose Settings, then navigate to Click Apps. Search and toggle. In the search bar, type Time Estimates and toggle that feature on. Once enabled, the estimation feature is active for your entire workspace. Next, navigate to the target task. Now, locate the specific task where you need to assign time. Open project or space, for example, marketing campaign, that contains your task. Select task, click on the task name, for example, draft the Q4 blog post, to open its detail pane. Set the time estimate. The tool for setting the estimate is located on the right side of the task details. Click icon. Locate and click the hourglass icon. This is the Time Estimates button. Enter value. A small window will pop up where you can assign your planned time. Confirm. Type in the time, for example, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and click Set. Verify and understand the estimate. The estimated time is now saved and visible to your team. Verification. The time, for example 2 hours and 30 minutes, is now visible right next to the task name in both List View and Board View. Purpose reminder. Remember, this is the time you plan to work, not the time you did work. It's a powerful way to plan your team's bandwidth and manage your workload effectively. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.